Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up HUAWEI's Pura 70 for senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside we can click on the search and here enter the simple mode. It looks like this. You can click on it, then select enable. That way you will enter the simple mode, which as you can see makes our phone much more accessible. We have much bigger icons, much bigger text. There's also high contrast enabled for text. If we go to our settings, they're a bit limited, and there's also setting enabled that allows your phone to remove any animations, which will reduce motion sickness when using your phone. And if you want to leave it, then click on the settings, and here we have exit simple mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.